we are at the Yorkshire Dales. We've come to see the abandoned mines, which are over there, and take some pictures. Ollie is currently trying to find his way across to take a photograph of over there, whereas I think I'm going to take the logical route, walk up there and come back round. Makes sense? Instead of falling in the water and making a bit of a boo-boo of ourselves. Grace is currently sat here. Say hi! Oh, okay. Is that hi?
No.
Boo! 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 Today's video was meant to be something different. It was going to be taking pictures of Grace at Benonborough Hall. However, they went disastrously, and I thought I won't put you through the pain of watching me as I slightly malfunction because Grace was not playing the game and because we've dropped our afternoon nap, so I'm currently in mourning for my afternoon nap. Thank goodness for coffee. Okay, we're gonna carry on walking up, have our lunch, and then take some pictures. It's a lovely day. You're gonna put it in the bin, put it in the bag. Now let's get to the juicy stuff, the pictures. Okay, so I'm currently stood in front of this bridge. Grace has gone with Ollie for a walk after having a paddle and being dried off. And the idea is to get a... Wait a minute, tell you what, I'm going to switch this camera around and show you my composition through the phone. Okay, so the idea is to get that rock in the foreground and the bridge in the background with the gradient waterfalls in the midground. I've got a 6-second exposure to smooth out water essentially, give it that kind of nice depth. I don't know how it's going to turn out, we will see, but as this is a vlog, you guys don't actually have to wait like I do to get back. And I'll put it on the screen now. You're probably wondering, why is she on the floor? Are you saying hi, Gracie? Grace has been an absolute star. Brilliant. I might have just jinxed it. But I'm trying to take a picture of this frame. It's an old abandoned mine, which we're currently sat at, if I do a bit of a wiggle. But there's a frame looking through where you can see, well, it's just a beautiful picture. I'll show you what I'm trying to frame up now. So this is a frame that I'm currently trying to create a composition of. I'm currently at 1/20th of a second, f11, ISO 100. The light is going beautifully. Right, I'm going to take it. My camera's about to die! But Ollie being Ollie has decided he wants to use the last of my battery for a long exposure selfie. Just waiting for the cloud to go over, and whilst I wait, I figured I would tell you about the settings to create that kind of smoothness of the water and the settings I am currently at. So we're going to live view. Got my info up. I've got 2 seconds, f29, ISO 100. Okay, I'm gonna have to take it, he's getting impatient. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I was going to take a picture of this beauty, but my camera officially died. Ran out of battery. Never mind, next time. Okay, bye for now. Remember, thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.